Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through Android hidden useful tricks. By this trick, you can do many things only with your buttons. So for that, go to settings. Now scroll down and click on additional settings. Now here you can see a button shortcuts. Click on it. Now here you will see so many options that can use for buttons, just like a turn on torch. If you select any of this option here, your torch will on by just doing that, just like a double press the power button. If you select this option and if you double press the power button quickly, your torch will on. Again, if you select this option and if you click on your power button and your back button at the same time, your torch will on. You can do the same for the other options as well, just like take a screenshot. If you select on your long press the back button and if you long press on your back button like this, you can take a screenshot. You can go for show menu and you can just go for any options here. You can go for launch Google Assistant and you can select any of these options. So guys, that's a useful trick. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.